ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను మీ ఎంఆర్ఎన్ సార్ని. వెల్కమ్స్ టు ఎంఆర్ఎన్ఎస్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ అండ్ సోషల్ సర్వీస్. డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, promote my channel and tell to your relatives, friends and students. Now we discuss submatrix, echelon form and rank of the matrix. What is the submatrix? See, let us take a matrix A. It has some rows and columns. The matrix obtained by deleting some rows or columns or both is called submatrix of the matrix A. For example, if you take A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, 6, 7, minus 2, 0, 3, 5. Students, this matrix order is 3 by 4. Now, by deleting column 4, C4, we get a matrix like this: 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 6, minus 2, 0, 3. This is called submatrix of A. It is denoted by B or C or X, whatever it may be. By deleting first row and second column, we get another matrix. First row, second column. Tell me, first row, second column is minus 1, 6, 7, minus 2, 3, 5. This is the submatrix of matrix A. That means the matrix obtained by deleting some rows or columns or both. Both means both rows and columns. Okay, now students, these are the examples. Now, echelon form of the matrix. What is the echelon form of the matrix? Dear students, in echelon form, you should know the first significant figure. What is the significant figure? It is a defined number. Significant figure means defined number. For example, let us consider this. This row first significant figure is 1 number or digit. This row first significant number is minus 1. This row first significant number is minus 2. If any matrix, for example, you take like this: 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here I consider 4 by 4 matrix, students. See, from top to bottom, if you see the rows, the second row, 1 is the first significant figure. Before that we have 2 zeros. We don't know the value of 0. In third row, first significant figure is 3. Before that we have 3 rows. In fourth row, all elements are zeros. See, from row to row, number of zeros before the first significant figure are in increasing order, In second row, 2 zeros before the first significant figure. In third row, we have 3 rows before the first significant figure. In fourth row, we have 4 zeros. So, this form is called normal form. We consider general form of the normal form is like this, students: P1, P2, P3, P4. These are the numbers: 0, P5, P6, P7, 0, 0, P8, P9, 0, 0, 0, 0 or P10. These are the defined numbers. P1, P5, P8, P10 are first significant figures. It may be zeros also. Here from 2 consecutive rows, we consider number of zeros before the first significant figure increased. So this form is called echelon form or normal form of the matrix, normal form or echelon form. That means, my dear students, if a matrix having number of zeros between the first significant figure increases from row to row, then that matrix is known as normal form or echelon form of the matrix. My dear students, let us take this example. Here in row 4, that is fourth row, all elements are equal to 0. So it is called as 0 row. 0 row. In third row, one number is there, 3. So it is called non-zero row. Non-zero row. It is also non-zero row. 1 is there. If every element is 0 in a row, then that row is called 0 row. This is also a non-zero row. Non-zero row. Now, rank of the matrix. It is very, very important definition. See, rank of the matrix. Dear students, in rank of the matrix, definition of the rank of the matrix. A is any order, say m by n. M by n. The highest or maximum square matrix which is non-singular matrix. The maximum order of the non-singular matrix of the given matrix. The maximum order of the non-singular matrix of the given matrix is called order of the given matrix A. Or rank of the matrix is the number of non-zero rows in the echelon form of the given matrix. In the echelon form of the given matrix. See, in this matrix A, it is echelon form. 0 row is 1, remaining 3 are non-zero rows. So rank of A is 3. So rank of A is denoted by like this, students. Rank of A. In some books, rank of A is denoted by like this also. Row of A. Row of A. So my dear students, rank is nothing but highest order of non-singular matrix. Singular means that is 0. Already I told you. Non-singular means that value is not equal to 0. That is defined only on square matrices. So the maximum order of the non-singular matrix of the given matrix is called rank of the matrix. Another definition, rank of the matrix is number of non-zero rows in echelon form of the given matrix is called rank of the matrix. For example, my dear students, if you take matrix A of order 3 by 3, 3 by 3 is a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Non-singular means that value not equal to 0. First case, if that A is not equal to 0, then rank of A equal to 3, because 3 by 3 is a square matrix, 3 is the order, this is the maximum order. If that A equal to 0, singular, then that A 0 అయితే at least one of 2 by 2 submatrix of A is non-singular, then rank of A equal to 2. Students, 2 by 2 submatrix మనకి ఇచ్చిన matrix order 3 by 3. And if det A equal to 0 and at least one of 2 by 2 submatrix of A is non-singular, then rank of A equal to 2. If every 2 by 2 submatrix of A is singular means det value equal to 0, then rank of A is 1. Then rank of A is 1. For example, you take matrix A as 1 2 minus 1 0 3 1 0 2 5. Its det value is, students, it is 3 by 3. Its det value is, so for take expand det on this row, 1 into 15 minus 2 into 0 minus 1 into 0, which is equal to 13, which is not equal to 0. So rank of this matrix is 3, because this matrix order is 3 by 3. So rank of A equal to 3. For example, det A equal to 0, you take 2 by 2 matrix. Let us take this example. A equal to 1 2 minus 1 3 5 6 0 0 0. Its det A equal to 0, students. ఒక రోలో మనకి every element 0 అయితే or column, its determinant value is 0. See, if you delete R3 row and C1 column, we have 2 minus 1 5 6 submatrix. What is its determinant? That be equal to 12 plus 5, not equal to 0. At least one of 2 by 2 submatrix of A is non-singular, then rank of A equal to 2. So rank of this matrix is 2, students. Rank of A equal to 2. So here, for 3 by 3 matrix, you have to find determinants. First you find given matrix determinant. If it is not equal to 0, rank of A equal to 3. If det A equal to 0 and at least one of 2 by 2 submatrix of A is non-singular, that means determinant is not equal to 0, then rank of A equal to. If every 2 by 2 submatrix of A is singular, then rank of A is 1. So this is the way to find rank of the matrix for 3 by 3 submatrix. Next, how to find 4 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 3. We will see. Let us see this example. This is a 3 by 4 matrix. Dear students, rank of the null matrix is 0. Rank of the null matrix is 0. Please remember that. See, find the rank of this matrix 3 by 4. First you consider 3 by 3, one of submatrix of this. How can you get 3 by 3 matrix? By deleting any one of the column of this. It is 3 by 3. If you delete C3, it becomes 3 by 3. If you delete C1, it is 3 by 3. At least one of 3 by 3 submatrix is non-singular, rank is 3. If every 3 by 3 is singular, you go for 2 by 2. At least one of 2 by 2 submatrix of this matrix is non-singular. Non-singular means det value not equal to 0. Then rank of this matrix is 2. That is the method. It takes time. We convert this matrix into echelon form or normal form by using Elementary row operations. Elementary row operations. What are the elementary row operations? Interchanging of rows, multiplication with some constant to elements of any row. Use only elementary row operations. Add elements of corresponding elements of one row to the another row by multiplying some scalar. These are called elementary row operations. First one is interchange of rows. R1 interchanges R2, R3 interchanges R2, like that. Second, multiplying elements of the row by some scalar, some constant, or changing the row R1 such that add two elements of the R1 by the elements of another row with multiplying some scalar. These are all called elementary row operations. Convert this into the echelon form. What is the echelon form? From row to row, number of zeros must be in increasing order before the first significant figure. See students, in first row we have 0. So interchange that one like this. Interchange R3 interchanges to R1. What you have? Write down the equivalent symbol. 2 1 3 1 4 0 2 5 0 1 1 minus 2. Now make this element as 0. R2 changes to R2 minus 2 into R1. 2 1 3 1. Students, R2 minus 2 R1 ఇక్కడ రాసేసుకోండి. 4 0 2 5 2 R1 4 2 6 2. We have to subtract 0 minus 2 minus 4 3 0 minus 2 minus 4 3 0 1 1 minus 2. Now make these elements as zeros. So multiply with 2 to this equation and add. R3 changes to R3, 2R3 plus R2. Multiply this with 2 and add these R2 elements. It is equivalent to 2 1 3 1 0 minus 2 minus 4 3. When you multiply with 2, 2 add means 0 0 minus 2 minus 1. See, from row to row number of zeros are in increasing order. So rank of this is in echelon form. It is normal form or echelon form. Normal form or echelon form. Here number of non-zero rows equal to 3. So rank of A equal to 3. For example, if it is 0, rank is 3. If all elements is equal to 0, then rank becomes 2. For example, it is 0, it is 0, it is 0 row, number of non-zero rows 2. In that case, rank is 2. See another example. If you take matrix A as like this 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. My dear students, if you change R2 row like this, R2 minus R1, R3 row changes to R3 minus R1, it becomes 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. It is also echelon form of A. It is 0 row, it is 0 row, this is a non-zero row. So rank of A equal to number of non-zero rows. Number of non-zero rows in echelon form. Here now non-zero rows is 1. Rank of A is 1. Like this we can find. Let us see one example. Find A such that rank of A equal to 2, where A equal to 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, 4, 7, 2, A 5. Students, you want A value when rank of A is 2. Rank of A is 2 means it should be have 2 non-zero rows in echelon form, in its echelon form. So make this element as 0, this element as 0 by using R1 row. Change R2. To make this element as 0, multiply to this row, multiply with 3 to this row and subtract it. 2R2 minus 3R1. Similarly, R3 interchanges to 2R3 minus 7R2. 2R2 6, 0, minus 2, 8. 3R1 6, 3, 3, 6. Subtract 0, minus 3, minus 5, 2. See here we are going to change R2 and R3 only. R1 is fixed. 0, minus 3, minus 5, 2. 2R3 14, 4, 2A 16. 7R1 14, 7, 7, 14. Minus is there. Subtract 0, minus 3, 2A minus 7, 2. 0, minus 3, 2A minus 7, 2. See, this same, this is same. Subtract. R3 changes to R3 minus R2. 2, 1, 1, 2. 0, minus 3, minus 5, 2. సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమవుతుందంటే 0 అయిపోతుంది. 2A minus 7 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 2A minus 7 plus 5 అవుతుంది. That is minus 2, 0. Dear students, he want A value when rank of A equal to 2. Rank of A2 means this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. If it is 0, in this echelon form, we have 2 non-zero rows. Given, so rank of A equal to 2 implies above matrix should be contained, above matrix should be contained 2 non-zero rows, 2 non-zero rows. So this should be 0 row. It should be, when it is in 0 row, 2A minus 2 equal to 0. 2A minus 2 equal to 0 implies A equal to 1. So like this we calculate value of A. Okay students, నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ ప్రెస్ చేసి ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి. బాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, జై హింద్.